How to learn to speak English easily, or how to learn English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice English every day. Without practice, you can speak fluently. If you are a beginner, then you should learn very small phrases or sentences, which you can use at home all the time. Be sure to try to use the English you learn, otherwise you will forget them after some time. So, you must practice. Practice start from home. It will remove both your shyness and fear of speaking English. And if you practice in this way, you will learn to speak English very easily. Today I will teach you some phrases that you can use all the time at home. Help others. Help others. How much? How much? Why not? Why not? I wish I could. I wish I could. He had just arrived. He had just arrived. It rained all day. It rained all day. Not you. Not you. He had one son. He had one son. Hurry up. Hurry up. I don't understand. I don't understand. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You became fat. You became fat. You look very tired. You look very tired. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Wake up. Wake up. I can't say. I can't say. Don't worry. Don't worry. What is the time? What is the time? Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. How stupid. How stupid. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Look what I found. Look what I found. How much altogether? How much altogether? You are wrong. You are wrong. Get him off the bed. Get him off the bed. Believe me. Believe me. I wish I were there. I wish I were there. It's too late. It's too late. Go and welcome them. Go and welcome them. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Get ready. Get ready. That was my mistake. That was my mistake. He is kind. He is kind. How did he get hurt? How did he get hurt? Call me back. Call me back. No idea. No idea. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Is this heavy? Is this heavy? Can we have a word? Can we have a word? Heat up the food. Heat up the food. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.